Hey everyone, I'm Quinye and I'm going to test out something today. I am going to be doing the keyboard sound effect noises, whatever it's called, on this keyboard that I bought from Dollar General. It's called a Century Pro Game. It's got RGB lighting, it's got arrows and everything you need on a keyboard. So let me open it up so you can see what's inside. Now, I don't know much about keyboards, but there's there's a mechanic, and that's about all I know. So, these are like, you have the raised keys. I know that much. You got the flat keys, and these are kind of like the raised keys. Probably something you would see on like a older computer that has the older keyboard with the rise keys where it's easy to pop out. So it's got a nice sound to it, nice click. And it has a nice feel to it. It's like the click and sound is something that I do like now. Of course, this is just me being weird, but I do like the clickety click click sound of a keyboard. I don't know, there's something about the clickety click click sounds of the keyboard that just really makes it interesting. But here's what the keyboard looks like. It's all raised keys, as you can see. So without further ado, I am going to be doing some keyboard. I'm going to be doing some random keying to get the keyboard sound effects. So I hope y'all like it. So without further ado, here we go. Ready, set, go. Alrighty, and we are done. Okay, well that does it. I hope you guys enjoyed the keyboard sound. I know I did. I actually do like it when the keyboard makes, the clickety clickety click click sound because I don't know. There's something about that sound is relaxing for me. I can't explain it. I don't understand it, but it is what it is. And I hope you guys actually enjoyed it. So, thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more, please click the subscribe button below. And I will see you next time on another video. Okay, bye. Blah da ha 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 da da da.